In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new campaign in Salesforce and discuss why Salesforce campaigns are valuable for your business. Let's dive right in to ensure you have all the tools and knowledge needed to make the most out of this powerful feature. To get started, open Salesforce. Once you're in, you'll notice the tabs at the top. These tabs are your gateway to various applications within your Salesforce setup. Today, our focus is on finding the Campaigns tab. Once you spot it, give it a click. This is where the magic begins. You'll notice a New button there. By clicking on this button, you'll initiate the process of creating a new campaign. This action brings up a form, and this is where you need to fill out all the necessary details about your campaign. Let's pause for a moment to discuss what information you need to prepare. First and foremost, a campaign name is essential. It's a mandatory field, so it's best to choose a name that clearly and consistently identifies the campaign to any team member looking at it. Now think about the type of campaign you're running. Salesforce offers you a variety of options, whether it's an email campaign, telemarketing initiative, or something else that fits your strategy. This choice is key to aligning your efforts. Another pivotal field is the status of the campaign. Options here include planned, in progress, or completed. By selecting the correct status, you help your team stay updated about the campaign stage at any given moment. Don't overlook the importance of accurately filling in the start and end dates. These dates guide the planning and evaluation phases, ensuring everyone is synced on when to execute and when to review the campaign activities. Though optional, entering figures for expected revenue, budgeted cost, and actual cost is incredibly useful for tracking your return on investment, an essential component for measuring the success of your marketing efforts. This data empowers you to make informed, data-driven decisions. Also, remember to add a description to your campaign. This section is perfect for internal notes or any specific instructions your team might need. Once all the necessary information is filled out, simply click on Save, and your campaign is now officially set up in Salesforce. Now, let's talk about the why. Why should you use Salesforce campaigns? The primary reason is to effectively track your marketing efforts and gauge their return on investment. Salesforce campaigns let you associate leads and contacts with specific marketing initiatives. This helps you understand their influence on your sales pipeline deeply. They also allow you to efficiently plan, budget, and report on your marketing strategies, providing a comprehensive view of how your marketing activities impact your business and offering insights into areas that might need improvement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Salesforce campaigns to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to work smarter with Salesforce.